धा 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 धा
for Tiger Shroff and Manushi Childar.
थैंक यू। चलो बैठ के ले आ जाओ। बैठ के चलो बाद में पहले बैठ होने दे।
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल शो हमें देखने को मिला।
थैंक यू।
आउटफिट आपने प्रेजेंट किया है ब्यूटीफुल मानुषी एंड टाइगर शो कैसा रहा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत अच्छा। I love being at this location. I wanted to create a magical garden. ये spring summer collection है. So we're trying to show modern India, much more tailored, nothing heavy. I want the girls to be comfortable and light. This is the modern, and these kids, because you're our kids compared to me, represent, they're the pinnacle of the new generation and what they represent and what people look up to them for, which is why they're here. It's India modern, it's a new version of India. Still very Indian. She's got the mangtika, he's got the chains, he's got the drape, all the things that I think are beautiful in Indian fashion. Traditional fashion, we contemporize them so it's not lost and people can use it even today.
एंड टाइगर आपका आउटफिट जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही प्यारा सा है, तो
इनके वजह से
पर इनका एब्स दिखाना ही पड़ा। They're too good to cover up.
ये पहली बार इनके कपड़े पहन रहा हूँ मैं। very it's an absolute honor and privilege to be wearing your clothes sir, so thank you for the honor. क्या बोलूँ इसके बारे में भाई, ये बहुत ही बैलेंस्ड पीस है मेरे ख्याल से. आई थिंक आई लव द ड्रेप्स लाइक हाउ तरुण सर मेंशन्ड. आई लव हाउ स्ट्रक्चर्ड इट इज़ एंड इट रियली fits my silhouette very nicely, so very happy to be wearing this.
Thank you. Love to see you there.
थोड़ा सा माइक के पास आ जाइए. आप तो है ही दुनिया की विश्व सुंदरी, तो थोड़ा सा
विश्व सुंदरी, I love that.
आउटफिट एंड लाइक ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, उसके बारे में बताओ.
जी मुझे I mean, I always love wearing Tarun's clothes, and he's always made me look wonderful. And like he said, there's one thing he does wonderfully, that he makes couture so easy to wear. I mean, I remember him dressing me and my sister on my sister's wedding. I do remember that, and we were just so comfortable. I absolutely love this look. I love the modern twist to a traditional lehenga. The fact that we've done a mang tika, but it's not, again, it's not traditional, but I think it's great. It's young and it's fun. So that's what I love. I love the blend of everything.
What's special for you, Manushi? Last question. Manushi, what's special? Last question. How does it feel, guys, to be part of Blenders Pride Fashion Tour?
It feels wonderful. I think tonight was a beautiful show. We had so much fun. The fact that everyone was dressed so beautifully, we were right by the sea. I don't think it could have been better.
Manushi, one question.
Absolute privilege and honor to be walking for the Blenders Pride Fashion Tour, especially for this master craftsman right here. Absolute genius of a.
Thank you. I've done many wonderful shows with Blenders. Sometimes the Garden of the Five Senses, and they're always willing to push the limit. You know, when I make these rough sketches, no one knows what the hell I'm talking about. And I said, you know, the stars will come into the garden, and we mix kartals with glamour and India modern. And they went with it, and truly, as a setting, it's one of the most beautiful settings in my 30-year history as a designer. And to have these people, 80 models, no one changes. It's relaxed, it's easy, it's perfect. It's real glamour. That's the blend of everything.
Yeah. Manushi, yeah.
Left. Manushi, left.
टाइगर आग लगा दिया. टाइगर
By 6 pack. इधर. टाइगर भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे.